I'm here at a Walmart in Central Florida, and I noticed there's a lot of things that are very much depleted on fruits, vegetables, but meats especially. Look, there's hardly any meat here. It's all because of the hurricane. Probably with all the panic buying and trouble getting some stuff in because of some of the damage and everything. So yeah, it's definitely short on stuff. Not very much meat at all in this section. Fruits and vegetables, like I said, are really low. Really low in the fruit and vegetable section. Yeah. Definitely not a lot. A lot of empty spaces. Still doesn't have a lot of bread in either. A lot of empty counters for that as well, guys. So they're still having some supply issues because of the hurricane. And they got some stuff, but not a lot in certain sections. Vegetables, fruits, meat, and bread so far, I've noticed that they definitely don't have a lot. Another section I noticed with a lot of empty shelves is the canned meat section. Not really any Vienna sausages at all, a little bit, but not too many choices. They normally have a lot more. So we definitely know what people hit. Well, SpaghettiOs and macaroni and cheese are two that there's definitely a lot of empty holes on still. And today is October 3rd, so it's been several days since the hurricane has came and gone and left Florida. They still having some supply issues, I bet. Especially with all the damage some parts of Florida has. Well, looks like eggs is another one that they don't have a lot of. Pretty much nothing. Well, certain pop brands are definitely out of too. Yeah, it looks like they're a bit low on some of the cat food too. Definitely low on some lettuce stuff too. Well, looks like little bags of chips, guys, are not a lot of those either. Oh, thank God. All well in the world when they have the Reese's Potato Chips Big Cup. These things are awesome.